Okay, it's Monday, March 4th. It's 10:37 a.m. I'm having breakfast. Yes, it's the usual. Grape nuts with a banana. I've almost eaten my first scoop of ice. Yeah. It's time to get more ice. Allie just had a yogurt. She had a yogurt and she finished up her toast and she had raspberries and strawberries. Yeah, that's my breakfast. Okay, it's 2:04. She literally took a 20-minute nap, and I was so ready to take a nap when she took a nap. So before we get Adri, we're having some leftover Yamatos, chicken, shrimp, rice, veggies, noodles from the other night. I'm sharing with her. Okay guys, for dinner I had a bowl of Johnny Marzetti. I made a huge pot. And for those who keep asking, like I've had a few of you ask me what size can of the tomato juice. It's this big, huge can. It is a 46-ounce can. It's like the big, giant can. So I had a bowl of that for dinner with mozzarella cheese on it, and I had a slice of butter bread. Okay, it's 8:14. We're just gonna have a little bedtime snack for the girls. So we have angel food cake, and there's a little scoop of vanilla ice cream, and then fat-free Cool Whip. And then strawberries. Careful, you're gonna tip over. So yeah, that's our dessert. Yummy.